Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making red velvet chocolate chip cookies. For our ingredients, we have all-purpose flour, we have cocoa powder, cornstarch, baking soda, salt, unsalted butter, brown sugar, white sugar, large egg, vanilla, red food coloring, liquid or gel, and white chocolate chips. When ready to bake, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. You want to line your baking sheet with parchment paper. Here I am whisking together my flour, my cocoa, my baking soda, my cornstarch, and my salt. And we're going to whisk that together until it is completely mixed. In a separate large bowl, then we're going to cream together our butter, our white sugar, and our brown sugar until light and fluffy. Here we are creaming our butter and our sugar together. Now we're adding in our vanilla. And we're adding in our egg. And we're going to mix that into our butter and our sugar mix. Now we're adding in our food coloring. And we're just going to add food coloring until we get the desired color that we like. Now I'm adding in my flour mixture a little bit at a time. And I'm going to mix that well. Once I am done mixing my flour mixture and my butter mixture together, I am going to fold in my white chocolate chips. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for about 3 hours or overnight. Using a cookie scoop, form your dough into balls about 1.5 tablespoons in size and 2 inches apart on your lined cookie sheet. You want to bake one cookie sheet at a time on the middle rack for about 7 to 9 minutes. And cool your cookies on a cookie tray for about 10 minutes. And then transfer them to a wire rack to continue cooling. Here are our cookies on our cookie sheet. We're going to bake them at 350 degrees from anywhere from 7 to 9 minutes. We have made red velvet chocolate chip cookies. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.